Here's the wall where, for the bedroom, where the first unit will go. They have a closet, as you can see, and it will connect very, very easily to the studs and go up, over, through the bedroom, through the bathroom, into the bath, go above, and the furnace room. This is the window I showed you earlier, where the outside he has a generator. So probably go through somewhere around there. Electrical box. Simmons. Solid. And he's got a couple extra spots for it. So plenty of room to run that. They got their new unit last year, 90%. And I see everything probably going up through into the bedroom.